Welcome to Karaoke Hacks. Today I'm going to show you a karaoke setup that you can bring anywhere. It's the easiest, cheapest, prettiest, and most convenient setup I've done. It's so easy that all you have to do is turn on the speaker. That's it. If this is your first time watching this video, you should consider subscribing because not only will I bring you playlists of what I like, I'm also going to show you setups, builds for your karaoke at home. I am a huge fan of anything cost effective, so all the setups I will give you are going to be the best bang for your buck, unlike the others that are like super expensive. This one, I've scoured the internet and I will bring you all the setups. I'm also going to do video reviews of microphones, lights that you could use, or ways that you could record your actual singing on your karaoke. Like the best way to get audio and good video so that you could have like a nice mini concert at home. All of this are possible the more you subscribe and the more you like our videos. Feel free to hit the thumbs up button down there so that I would know if you like this video. Before I show you what the setup is, let me give you a quick background of how I found it. So we were having lunch at my parents' house and it was a really nice day. So they said, let's eat at the patio. So we went to the patio and usually I have like a Bluetooth speaker that I bring to play like ambient music. And my dad said, you know what would be great is if we could sing karaoke here in the back. So can you find a speaker that we could plug a microphone into? And of course, my eyes lit up and I was like, challenge accepted. So I went online, looked at so many different speakers. I found expensive speakers and I found cheap speakers. The good ones that I found didn't have the specs I wanted until I found this, the tenmiya 30-watt Bluetooth speaker that has microphone inputs. I bought it, 2-day shipping, tried it out, and I was floored on how easy it was to set up. So the setup is coming up right after the intro. Okay, this tutorial is for portable karaoke, which is pretty much karaoke on the go. If you're going camping, to the beach, to someone else's party, to a small event, or anything that would involve livening up the event with singing, this is the setup for you. Personally, after I set this up, I wanted to bring it everywhere I went. And you are going to want to do this too because it just makes any gathering more festive. Don't worry, all the links to the products will be in the description below. For this one, all you need is a microphone. Make sure that it's at least 15 feet long, a cell phone or an iPad or any smart device so that you could connect it to the speaker. And of course, the one I showed you earlier, the tenmiya 30-watt portable Bluetooth boombox with subwoofer. All you have to do is turn on the speaker, go to your phone's setting, click Bluetooth, find the A66 device, and connect. Plug in the microphone and start up your YouTube app. Go on the search bar, hit search and type in your song. And hit play. That's it. What I liked about this unit is that it has 2 microphone inputs, one with a 1/4-inch audio jack input and the other one with a 3.5mm input, probably a just in case for an emergency duet. You could also attach a wireless microphone that has a 3.5mm input. which is this one. There are so many alternatives. I will put all the alternatives in the description below. The best part about this setup is that there's no more additional spending if you want newer songs. No more chip upgrades or new models you need to buy. YouTube has the largest database of karaoke songs that are generously provided and updated by different channels for free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Facebook group to ask questions about the setup or interact with other couch concert kings and queens. See ya!
I love you.